Basic sentences with get up. I get up and pray. I get up and make tea. I get up and meditate. I get up from my chair. I get up and watch TV. I get up and go to work. I get up and take a nap. I get up in the morning. I get up and make coffee. I get up and cook dinner. I get up from the couch. I get up and play a game. I get up and get dressed. I get up and have a snack. I get up and have a drink. I get up and wash my face. I get up and take a shower. I get up and go to school. I get up and eat breakfast. I get up and order takeout. I get up and clean my room. I get up and do my laundry. I get up and feed my pets. I get up and check the time. I get up and sweep the floor. I get up and mop the floor. I get up and make the bed. I get up and go for a walk. I get up and go for a run. I get up and go for a swim. I get up and go for a hike. I get up and go to the park. I get up and go to the beach. I get up and go to the gym. I get up and listen to music. I get up and call my friend. I get up and text my friend. I get up and send an email. I get up and write a letter. I get up and go shopping. I get up and make a budget. I get up and plan my day. I get up and go to the zoo. I get up and practice yoga. I get up and plan my week. I get up and plan my month. I get up and plan my year. I get up and work on a puzzle. I get up and do some crafts. I get up and do some painting. I get up and do some drawing. I get up and go to the library. I get up and go to the concert. I get up and go to the theater. I get up and recycle the paper. I get up and recycle the plastic. I get up and recycle the glass. I get up and recycle the cans. I get up and dust the furniture. I get up and wash the dishes. I get up and go for a bike ride. I get up and do some writing. I get up and stretch my legs. I get up and brush my teeth. I get up and put on my shoes. I get up and open the window. I get up and close the window. I get up and turn on the light. I get up and turn off the light. I get up and check my phone. I get up and check the weather. I get up and water my plants. I get up and vacuum the carpet. I get up and walk to the kitchen. I get up and go to the bathroom. I get up and organize my closet. I get up and take out the trash. I get up and achieve my goals. I get up and go to the movies. I get up and go to the museum. I get up and inspire someone. I get up and watch the sunrise. I get up and watch the sunset. I get up and go to the doctor. I get up and go to the dentist. I get up and go to the pharmacy. I get up and take my medication. I get up and go to the art gallery. I get up and go to the restaurant. I get up and learn something new. I get up and tidy up the living room. I get up and live my life to the fullest. I get up and check my bank account. I get up and attend a religious service. I get up and celebrate my achievements.